Ray knew his El Camino needed more boost to be competitive, more than his Legacy LS could handle. John McGhee at Cutaway Racing sent us the engine for remachining and parts upgrades. We repaired his dart block, added a Dailey 6-stage dry sump, and upgraded the rotating assembly with a Callies Apex crank, aluminum rods, and custom diamond pistons. The block and heads were machined for fuel hoops to seal the Flatout copper head gaskets. A cast intake with liquid-to-air intercooling topped the long block. We did an NA break-in dyno and sent it to John. John completed the install and did his own break-in dyno, dialing the 108mm turbo up to 24 psi. Is running Swanfest at Rockingham Dragway this weekend. He and John are thinking 35 to 40 pounds boost should do the job. Good luck, Ray. And if you want to go fast, call John McGhee at Cutaway Racing, 703-424-5096.